Hi students, this is Viswanath, your chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we started volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution. Now see the important formula. Volume strength equal to normality N into 5.6 and volume strength equal to molarity capital M into 11.2. Now for these two formulae, a small derivation is there. See that one. Let volume strength be capital V. Hydrogen peroxide dissociation or decomposition equation is H2O2 gives rise to H2O plus O2. Balance this. This is the balancing equation. Now, from this we can say 2 into 34 grams of H2O2 produces 1 mole of O2. In terms of volume, how much volume? This is gas. 22.4 liters of O2. 22.4 liters of O2 is obtained from 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide. 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide gives 22.4 liters of O2. Suppose V liter of O2 is obtained here because volume strength is V. That means V liters of oxygen is obtained from how much amount of H2O2? That is 68 into V divided by 22.4 of grams of H2O2. Here volume strength is capital V. From the equation 68 grams of H2O2 gives 22.4 liters of O2. Here volume strength V means V liter of O2 is obtained from how much amount of H2O2 means this much amount. So strength of H2O2, strength means gram per liter, that is 68 into V divided by 22.4. This is the strength of hydrogen peroxide. Now equivalent mass of H2O2 equal to, how can we get? By dividing molecular mass by its electrons involved in this decomposition. 2 electrons are involved. Molecular mass is 34 by 2, that is 17. Now come to the normality. Normality equal to, what is the formula? Gram equivalence of solute divided by volume in liters. Gram equivalence means weight of solute divided by equivalent mass of solute into volume in liters. Now strength formula, we know that. What is that? Strength equal to weight of solute in grams divided by volume in liters. So we can write normality capital N equal to strength gram per liter divided by equivalent mass. Now strength, how much in this case? This one, 68 into V divided by 22.4. Substitute here 68 into V divided by 22.4 by equivalent mass 17. By doing calculation we can get Normality n equal to V by 5.6. Here V is volume strength. Therefore, volume strength equal to capital N into 5.6. N means normality. In terms of molarity, volume strength equal to capital M, molarity capital M into 11.2. Okay, already we know that normality molarity relation, normality N equal to molarity into N factor. For H2O2, N factor is 2. Okay, so by using this formula we can get this one. These two formulae very important, remember carefully. Volume strength equal to normality N into 5.6, volume strength equal to molarity into 11.2. Related to this, see the question. The volume strength of 1.5 normal H2O2 solution is, solution normality is given, volume strength we should find out. 1 normal H2O2 solution means, what is the volume strength? 5.6 volume strength. 5.6 is the volume strength. Now 1.5 normal H2O2 means X equal to 1.5 into 5.6 by 1, that equal to 8.4. Or other method, simply volume strength equal to N into 5.6. N means 1.5 into 5.6, that equal to 8.4. So volume strength is 8.4. Then what is the option? Option D. Either this method or this method we can do to get the answer. Thank you, students.